Having this site can't be reached in Opera GX? Let's fix it step by step. Open Opera GX and confirm the error message on the tab and address bar. First, check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and reconnect if needed. If your connection looks fine, power cycle the router, unplug, wait 30 seconds, plug back. Try visiting another website to verify whether your internet is working. Still blocked? We'll flush DNS and disable VPN or proxy next. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type IP protocol configuration/flushdns and press enter. Disable any VPN apps and turn off proxies in your system network settings. In Opera GX, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and clear cache. If problems persist, reset Opera GX settings to defaults and restart the browser. Reload the site now. If it still fails, reboot your PC or contact your ISP. Done. These quick steps usually resolve this site can't be reached in Opera GX.